Only 3 simple ingredients, no shortcuts, no machines. This is Dudh Puli Pitha, made the traditional village way. One of the easiest pitha recipes you can try at home. Add freshly grated coconut into a kadai. Keep the flame low. Patience is the secret. Now add date jaggery and mix gently. Let it melt slowly until the mixture turns into a soft paste. This is the filling. Keep it aside. Now bring water to a boil. Once the water is boiling, add the rice flour directly into the hot water, stirring continuously to avoid lumps. Adjust the consistency later by adding normal water little by little. We haven't given exact flour measurements because pitha dough depends more on texture than numbers. Knead until the dough becomes soft and smooth. As a guide, 400 grams of flour can make up to 30 to 35 pithas. Now divide the dough into small portions. Flatten gently. Place the coconut filling inside and shape it slowly into a traditional Dudh Puli Pitha. Don't rush. This is how it's done in village kitchens. Boil milk in a pan and sweeten it with date jaggery. Gently place the pithas into the milk. Let them cook slowly on a low flame. When the pithas float on the milk, your Dudh Puli Pitha is ready. Texture of soft rice, sweet coconut, and warm jaggery milk. Pure comfort made the traditional way. Simple ingredients, timeless taste. This is Dudh Puli Pitha from the Bengal's kitchen. We will see you in the next video. Till then, stay happy, stay healthy.